I'd always say to people, if I had to choose a job, would be an art therapist. I was like, why am I saying that? Why don't I just do it? I got on a journalism traineeship, which was really intense, but it was really helpful. But then I realised that I needed something even more creative. There's so many parts of being creative in art that I love, and that's why I love this course. I started just researching art therapy like May, June time, and obviously I'd missed the deadline, so I looked at applying through clearing. I think I sent an email to admissions just expressing that I wanted to start the course, but it specifically said on the website, don't worry, if you're late, you can still apply, which put my nerves at ease a little bit. I sent my portfolio, a personal statement, and they got back to me and they said, we'll just arrange an interview for you. And then I had an interview with the leader of the course. The process of going through clearing with USW was really smooth and very quicker than I expected. I'm glad that I went through clearing and applied when I did, and I didn't doubt myself. I'm just really glad that I just went for it.